Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox client has stopped working. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox client has stopped working, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page of apps, you will go to this window of Roblox. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again when you will wait a minute to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.